Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My hair is washed and fresh and blow dried. Now today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing crochet locks in my hair from the company Toyotress. They sent me some hair and I'm loving it. It's 36 inches, y'all. 36 inches. So I'm going to try to do something new. I'm going to leave some baby hairs, what I call to be baby hairs, but I don't really have baby hairs, and my hairline is crazy. You see right there, as I part around to get a little bit of hair out, as y'all can see, my hairline has long hair in it, and then right there is really short hair in the corners, so it looks like I'm bald. But I'm not really bald, y'all. That's just how my hairline works. That's how it looks. So when I put it, when I section this out, I'm trying to leave as little hair as possible because, you know, what I'm going to be doing, you can get heat damage or whatever, but I don't want that. So anyway, so look at all that hair. So here's a product. It's the butterfly locks. They're 36 inches long. Like, what? I love them. I always wanted these. 10 comes inside one pack, and I think I had like 8 to 10 packs. But look how long they are. They smell good. First of all, you know how companies send you hair and they stink? This didn't stink. And it's easy. It has a big loop for like thick hair, so it's easy to install. I like things that are easy, and I'm not a pro with when it comes to crochet, so I like something simple and easy. I braided the front so it can look like I got box braids. You know, that's the thing going on. You want it to look as natural as possible, or like you have the parting, the sectioning. So I'm going to continue to do that. And here's a little secret that I realized. If you take the section that you're going to braid, like an individual braid, and you pull the hair forward, not backward but forward, and start braiding the hair forward down a little, maybe like 5 times, and then take the hair and go back so you can get a definite section or box braid. You can see all the surrounding parts. If you can see it, it looks like a box. You can see all the sections on each side. Now I'm going to take the hair and I'm just going to add the last braid to the braid that I'm doing currently. And I'm going to do that to my entire head. And right here, I'm just making sure that I'm not really bald. That's not a bald spot. Every time I look at it, it looks so weird. I'm like, oh my God, I'm baldina. So I did that to my entire head. I'm just showing you how it came out. Boom, I crocheted my entire hair. It was so easy to do. So here's that loop, making it easier. And if you need it to be wider, you could just pull that section down like I just showed you, and it'll just pop open easily. But I never had these before, and I see them all the time, and I never had anything as long as this. And so it sits on your skin, and when it sits on my skin, I don't feel itchy. It's skin friendly. It doesn't feel itchy, because you know how some hair, like some braiding hair, when I'm braiding, I could just sit it on my lap and I start itching because it like pokes through my clothes and it makes it scratchy. I don't like that, but this hair doesn't do it. I sleep with it at night. It's not a problem, and it's very soft and it's not heavy. I can tell when I did put a lot in my hair, so you're going to feel some weight So if you don't want a lot in your hair, or if you don't want your hair to feel heavy, don't put a lot in. And here I'm just showing you how easy it is to just put the crochet in, because I'm not a crochet pro. And some people out here, they are really great at it, but I'm just doing it. It's easy. It's just a hairstyle that I'm going to have for maybe 2 weeks. And I'm not going to do anything serious. I don't want a lot on my edges. Y'all know, if you are my A1 since day one supporter, you know that when it comes to my edges, I don't play and I don't put a lot of tension on them. So I'm just going to add 2 to each of these. Here it is. Here's the finished, well, not the finished look. Now I'm going to add some coconut oil to my hair, just to my scalp, just to make sure that everything's good and not flaky. But this hair, I'm loving it. I'm so excited to wear it, especially in the summertime. It's not even hot. I mean, the hair, it doesn't add. You know how hair can be a lot and hot. No, I'm not really hot, but I haven't really been outside. I've been inside, but I have been swimming with it, and swimming with it is a little challenging. You try swimming with 36-inch hair. Okay, so here's my wannabe baby hairs, and I'm going to do something unique, which I really don't see people doing. I see people, they do like the fluffy baby hair, but their hair is shorter. So I'm just going to curl my hair and just try to create a different look, because I know my hair does not stay in curls, but I wanted to try, and I wanted that like bohemian butterfly lock look, you know, something that looks effortless, but you put a lot of effort into it, but it doesn't look like you put a lot of effort into it. That's the look I'm going for here. I just try to do something different, you know. And then I'm going to add some shining gel just to make the smaller hairs come out and show themselves, so it won't look like I'm really bald, you know. You see how that laid it down, and they came out. They came to play with the big dogs. Y'all, I want this to work out so bad, but it's not giving what it's supposed to give. But anyway, this Toya Trust is the company, and I'll have everything linked down in the bio. Here is the finished look, and as you can see, my curls fell, so I'm going to try different styles to make it look the best way that I want it. Also, Toya Trust has a Facebook group called Toya Trust Everyday Benefits. So if you guys want to go join that, go ahead and do that. Look at the hair. Oh my God, it's 36 inches. I'm excited about that. They go all the way down to my knees, y'all. So I had a little idea that I'm going to take one of the leftover butterfly locks, and I'm going to use it as a ponytail holder. And then I'm just going to tie it around, like knot it right there. And after that, I saw that it was giving me like a little layer in the front, so I tied it around twice, and now like the pieces hang, and you can see it's like the 2 pieces adding to my bang. And I like that it gave like a layered look, or a bang. So I'm going to add 2 more pieces. And I just like the ponytail look. I haven't really been wearing it down. I wear it down before I go to sleep, or I use a bonnet, but I really don't wear it down. But it's you would think this was heavy, but it's not heavy. And I'm just loving this look. Everything turned out the way that I wanted. I put on some makeup and my little chains. I think I'm doing something because I'm feeling myself. But I thank you guys for watching. The link will be down in the bio for Toya Trust's website, so you can get this hair. That Facebook group if you like. And I just thank you guys for watching. It's been a couple of days, maybe about a week, and I just like wearing them like this now, because there's no heat damage or anything. So they're super long and I love it. You see they're little curlies, and I put them up here. Just a different look. This is the best quick vacation hairstyle, boho chic, long, relaxing on the beach hairstyle that you can have for a relaxing vacation. Try it out and let me know how you like it down in the comments below. Thank you.